Oliver Wight has worked with Board International to create Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board, a software solution that provides technology support and enablement for Oliver Wight's integrated business planning process. Organisations are struggling to combine data and information from multiple systems in order to provide the information required for an effective IBP process. Excel is typically used to capture, compare and model data from multiple systems and then transferred to PowerPoint for creation of the IBP presentation. Scenario planning in such an environment is time-consuming and the linkage of operational plans to financial projections cumbersome. Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board provides a single workspace for the contributors and users of the IBP process to capture and build the latest plans, model scenarios, understand financial impacts, visualize the key information, and run their review meetings. Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board can extract data from other systems, such as SAP's APO or Oracle's Demantra, so that the data can be used to provide the basis for the plans being reviewed through the steps of the IBP process. Alternatively, Board provides the capability to create the plans if no alternative system feed exists. If you can do it in Excel, you can do it in Board. An essential element of an effective IBP process is the use of assumptions to capture the thinking supporting the plan and linking those assumptions to planned activities. Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board provides users the capability to capture, document, and maintain the activities and assumptions driving the plans within the software, to record changes to activities and assumptions, and to measure the resulting impact on the plan, and where assumptions are uncertain, model scenarios and understand the impact of those scenarios on the plan. Understanding and planning for uncertainty is at the heart of integrated business planning. Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board provides the capability to capture vulnerabilities and opportunities associated with the latest plan and to model the impact of those uncertainties, not only on the part of the plan in question, but then on the other plans that make up the integrated business plan. In this example, we can model a change of timing of a product launch. We can see the impact on the demand plan from a revenue and margin perspective. We can also see the impact on the supply plan from a capacity and cost perspective. We can now understand the overall financial implication on the whole business. A value of an effective IBP process is the ability that it provides to identify gaps versus commitments, such as budget and strategy, early enough to allow cost-effective gap-closing actions to be taken. Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board makes visualizing gaps versus commitments, documenting gap-closing plans, and understanding their impact simple. An effective IBP process focuses users on key issues. Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board gives users the ability to set limits and alerts based on materiality as required by leaders or specified tolerances on KPIs. This feature assists the users and IBP facilitators to focus the business on the important stuff. The operational plans can be easily translated into financial plans and full P&L projections. Visualizations such as waterfall charts help the users identify and understand the financial impact of changes to operating plans since the last cycle, in areas including revenue, cost of goods, and margin. Gaps to committed plans, including annual plan and strategic objectives, can also be simply visualized. The financial impact of uncertainties can also be simply modeled and understood.